Hi everybody, it's NAVIFORCE here. Today we are going to have an unboxing review, and the watch of the today is NF9146S. Okay, let's begin. As you can see, the black cover is quite nice, and our logo NAVIFORCE is well printed on the cover. Now let me read it off, and then you can see there is a guarantee card, and the warranty year of our NAVIFORCE watch is for 1 year. And here is the instruction manual. According to the instruction manual, you can adjust your new watch very clearly. Okay, here is the watch that we will unbox today. This watch is a Quartz dual display watch. First, let's look at the back side of this watch. See the back side, you can know the model number here, NF9146S. And also you can know some other information like the material of the bag, and here is the professional waterproof for the 3 ATM. Here the case diameter of this watch is 46 mm, and the thickness is 16.5 mm. The whole case of this watch is zinc alloy material. The total length of this watch is 245 mm. The strap here is stainless steel material, so it is not easy to wear and tear. Also, it is a 3-link design, so you can easily adjust the watch strap according to your wrist. Here this watch uses folding buckle with safety. It is quite easy to wear. Let me show you. Here to see more details about this watch. First, let's looking at the bezel. There are 6 screws distributed in the 6 corners evenly, and the bezel is two-layer design, which is more dynamic and fashion. Now let's pay attention to the dial design here. The number 9 is highlighted and there are stripes in the middle part. And from the whole wheel, the upper design is just like a motorboat here on the ocean. It shows a sense of sports style. Now let's move on the all colors of this model. This model has a total of 4 colors here. This one, the color is solid black. It is very cool. This one color is the color that I just talked about. It is the rose gold black. This one, the color is solid blue. It is very textured. And the last one color is of this model is the silver black. Okay, that's all unboxing content of the NF9146S today. Please thumb up and subscribe here, as well as follow us on the Instagram or the Facebook if you guys love us and want to see more interesting content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.